Hi kids! Welcome to Science 4. For today's lesson, we're going to describe the changes in solid materials when they are cut. Come on, let's go and have fun. Let us review our past lesson. Kindly name some materials that can be hammered. Very good! Kindly tell me the name of the materials in this picture. That's right! It is a knife and a scissors. Kindly describe them. Very good. Scissors and knife are objects with sharp blades. What is the use of this scissors or knife? Very good. It is used for, or they are used for, cutting. How are you going to use these materials in order for you to be safe all the time? That's right. You should handle it with care. When we say cutting, it is dividing the object with the use of a sharp object, just like the knife and the scissors. We also have blades and cutters. And now, to understand better our lesson, let's have this activity. It was entitled, What Happens to Solid Materials When Cut? For Group 1, you're going to use bond paper. For Group 2, piece of cloth. Group 3, banana. Group 4, lace. And Group 5, fruit net. And then later on, you're going to identify what happened to the material when cut. Please remember to use the materials carefully. Alright? Are you ready? You may now start. If you don't have the materials with you, you can watch this video and observe what will happen to the materials when they are cut. Now, it's time for you to present your work. Come on, you can do it. Now, let's check your answers. For group 1, you use bond paper and a cutter, or some of you uses scissors. Okay, so what happened to the material when cut? Very good. It changes in size and shape. What about you, group 2? What happened to the piece of cloth? That's right. It changes in size and shape. What about the banana? Good job. It also changes in size and shape. What about the lace, group 4? Very good. It also changes in size and shape. And lastly, the fruit net. Good job, kids. All of your answers are correct. Based on your activity, what happened to the materials when they are cut? Very good. The materials may change their size and shape. A new material formed? Very good. No new material formed. Only the physical appearance of the materials were changed. What characteristics of solid were evident in this experiment? Very good. The characteristics of solid that were evident are the size, shape, and texture. Here are the things that you should remember. Solid materials can be cut. Cutting is dividing object with the use of a sharp object, just like the scissors, knife, cutter, and blades. When cut, these materials may change their size and shape, but no new material form. As we all know, not all solid materials can be cut using simple scissors. Some solid materials like iron, steel, and so on can be cut using sophisticated cutters. For example, we're going to use metal cutters or machine cutters, just like in these pictures. They use machine cutters or sophisticated cutters to cut the different solid materials. Let me ask you this question. If you are a sewer or a dressmaker, how will you protect yourself from being cut? Very good. Let's find out if you really understood our lesson. Please get your notebook and your ball pen. Here is the direction. Put a check on the materials that can be cut. Cross out if not. Go. And now, let's check your answers. For number 1, box, the answer is check. What about number 2, rock? That's right, it is an X. What about number 3, branches? Very good, it is check. How about ribbon? You're right, it was check. And lastly, gold. Very good, it is an X. Please count the number of checks and write your scores. Well done, kids. I do hope you learned something today. Your assignment, kindly describe the change or the changes that happens in solid materials when cut. Please write it on your notebook. That's all for today, class. Thank you, kids, for watching and listening. Stay safe, everyone. See you again next time. Bye.